How to add dotted text in Google Docs. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you add dotted text in Google Docs. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open the Google Docs on your browser. So like you can see, I have already opened the Google Docs on my browser. So after you open it, you will got such interface. So from here you'll have to go with the option blank document. So simply click on it. And now from here, you'll have to go with the option insert. So simply click on it. And now from here, you'll have to go with the option drawing. And from here, you'll have to go with the options new. All right. So in the drawing section, you'll have to go with the option action. So simply click on it. And now from here, go with the option word art. So click on it. And now from here, you'll have to add a text here. So I will add tutorial here. Okay, so after you add a text here, you'll have to hit the enter button. Okay, so as you can see, I have added this text on this drawing box. So from here, I will have to set the colors of this. So on this color section, I will have to choose like some light colors. So I will choose some like yellow light color. All right, so after you choose the color, you'll have to set the border of that. So for that, you'll have to go to another option, border color. So here I will select the black color. So simply I have already selected that. All right. So after here, you'll have to go the options border dash. So simply you have to go with the option last and simply click on it and go with the option second one. So simply click on it. All right. So as you can see, a dotted border has been added on my text. So to make it more visible, you'll have to increase the width of that border. So simply for that, you'll have to go with the option border width. Okay. So simply click on it. And now from here, slightly increase the border width of that border. So simply I will choose 2 pixels. All right. So as you can see, I have increased the border width of that text. So likewise, you can also add dotted text in Google Docs. So this is the easiest and simplest method to add dotted text in your Google Docs. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.